empathy, it's a tough one. You know how kids learn empathy? By watching us. How do we treat each other? What are our facial expressions? You know, they're watching everything we do. We call it's a sharing of neurocircuits in human beings. We technically share some of the things that are located in our prefrontal cortex. So depending upon how somebody responds to me is really going to shape how I feel in the moment and how I respond back. So what kids need to start seeing in our schools is adults having a good time, adults experiencing joy, adults who run in and say, hey, take 5 because, you know, the teacher's doing the wiggle dance and really needs to go to the bathroom. And, you know, and all of a sudden an adult pops in and says, hey, take 5, I got this. When kids see that stuff around them, they start developing those skills about how to look at other people and notice them. Not just look at them, but notice them. See, so we have to notice each other. I should not walk down the hallway in your school and have somebody just walk by me. There should be at least a little bit of acknowledgement. And we should be able to switch classrooms, and kids should have FaceTime with as many adults as possible. Because when kids see the adults clicking, it's going to happen a lot faster.